We have compiled a list of 52-word daily use sentences in English to help you improve your vocabulary.
Play outside. Play outside. Drink water. Drink water. Jump high. Jump high. Read books. Read books. Eat fruit. Eat fruit. Sing loudly. Sing loudly. Draw pictures. Draw pictures. Clap hands. Clap hands. Run fast. Run fast. Swim well. Swim well. Build towers. Build towers. Plant flowers. Plant flowers. Blow bubbles. Blow bubbles. Bake cookies. Bake cookies. Ride bicycle. Ride bicycle. Watch birds. Watch birds. Feed fish. Feed fish. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Wash hands. Wash hands. Fold clothes. Fold clothes. Cut paper. Cut paper. Color shapes. Color shapes. Write name. Write name. Kick ball. Kick ball. Open door. Open door. Close window. Close window. Pet cat. Pet cat. Walk dog. Walk dog. Tickle brother. Tickle brother. Hug sister. Hug sister. Find toys. Find toys. Share candy. Share candy. Smell roses. Smell roses. Count stars. Count stars. Wear hat. Wear hat. Take photos. Take photos. Dance together. Dance together. Sleep early. Sleep early. Study math. Study math. Help mommy. Help mommy. Clean room. Clean room. Sort socks. Sort socks. Throw trash. Throw trash. Sweep floor. Sweep floor. Hang pictures. Hang pictures. Peel oranges. Peel oranges. Chase butterflies. Chase butterflies. Jump rope. Jump rope. Fix puzzle. Fix puzzle. Tie shoes. Tie shoes. Kids Learning App Smart Kids free download description below. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.